Hey everyone, this is Dan Phelps with Learning to Smoke, back again today to talk to you about a great holiday treat. You may not be able to tell by the background that I have here, but it is December and we're doing smoked candy pecans. Smoked candy pecans are so simple to make. You just take a few ingredients, about 25-30 minutes on the grill, and that's it. These are an easy crowd pleaser to make, and I'll walk you through the process. Let's go. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment on what your favorite holiday treat is. First things first, grab yourself a small bowl or a medium-sized bowl, and then crack 2 eggs, and you're going to use egg whites from this. So what I like to do is keep the egg shells there and just toss the egg yolk back and forth between the 2 shells until I get the egg yolk out. And you're going to do 2 of those. And then you're going to do a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then take your beaters and just whip that for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes or so until it gets all frothy just like that. And once it gets frothy, just make sure to set that aside. And we're going to get another bowl and we're going to focus on that. But let's get rid of this bowl first. And now we're going to get the larger bowl out. And we're going to put in some brown sugar. I'm going to do a half cup of that right there. And then we're going to do a half cup of regular sugar. And we're going to mix in some real salt. This is Redmond real salt. It's a hickory smoked flavor. It's awesome. So I'm doing a teaspoon of that. I'm going to do a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a 4th teaspoon of nutmeg, and we're going to put that all in together, mix that up, mix all the dried ingredients together just like that. I'm using my hand, got a glove on. I'll put a link in the description for the gloves if you want. And now it's time for the pecans, or the pecans, whatever you want to call them. Going to put in about 12 to 16 ounces of those, and then I'm going to bring in my mixture of egg whites and maple syrup. Going to mix that together. Like I said, I like to mix it by hand, but you can just use like a spoon or a spatula, whatever else you want. And it's going to look like that when you get it all mixed together. I felt like the ratio was off with the pecans and the mixture, so I decided to put in some more pecans there, help even that out, and that just means more snacks for us. And now I'm going to grab a cookie sheet that's already lined with some foil there, and I'm going to spread all the nuts all over the place. Well, that sounded weird. I'm going to take the pecans and spread them all around on there, and make sure you get like a flat, even, thin layer of it, so you don't want to have like stacked up on top of each other there. But I got my Yoder smoker, my YS640S, rolling smoke at 250 degrees, got some oak wood going, and I'm going to throw those on there for about 25 minutes, and that's it. And when they're done smoking, they're not going to look entirely different, but they are definitely going to be stuck to the foil. So I'm going to pull those out. I'm going to let it rest just for a few minutes before I start peeling them off. And as I said about sticking to the foil, it does. Maybe spraying it first, the foil would help with it being not as sticky. But it's not too hard to peel off, as you can see. I'm just going to peel them off and just put them into a bowl I've got here on the side. Since the recipe calls for about 12 to 16 ounces of pecans, this makes about 12 to 16 ounces of smoked candied pecans. So there you have it. Check out the website, learntosmoke.com, for more recipes like this. Okay, now that we're done, got them right here, as you can see. All right, I'm going to set the bowl down. Going to try one out. Of course, they're awesome. I made it. What am I going to say? It sucks? No, it's rad. I love it. Got a couple of pointers here. I mean, obviously they're very sweet, and they're really good. But if you want to spice it up a little bit, throw in some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning in there. You could even throw in some hot honey with your maple syrup when you mix it. In fact, that might give me an idea for another video to make sometime. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope your days are filled with good times, good friends, and good barbecue. Bye.